girl, drop that ass deep down low, deep down low, deep down low.
Here today I am gonna be playing Will You Press the Button. So this is a game of if you'll press the button this will happen, or if not then it won't happen. So yeah, let's get started. All the girls will love you and you'll be the sexiest man alive, but you're G-A-Y. I will not. Yep, people agreed. So Neil Patrick Harris, what the freak? Good. Okay. The zombie apocalypse will happen. You'll be turned into a zombie and the humans will win. Yep, I'll press the button. Good. You can cure cancer. There's an 80% chance that you'll get AIDS, HIV every time. I'm saving other people's life. I can do my life soon. Yeah. 43% of people agree on that. You can travel to any point in time in the past and not be able to fit in. You return to your own time after a day and cannot remember anything from your trip. Then what's the point of time traveling? Like, bruh. So, I don't know, Doctor Who. I just record it for later. Okay, so that was good. You get 500 pounds. You have to delete your Facebook account forever. I can deal with that because I don't even have Facebook. Well, I don't even use it. So yeah. You will get the power to see through clothes. You cannot turn it off. Yeah, I will not. Imagine having to go to your grandparents' house. Learn everything you do in a second. You will lose all your emotions. I will not. You can get your dream position in any sport you want. You will never win. Nope, I will not, because you just need to work on that. You can foresee the future. You cannot prevent anything that will occur. I guess I'll know, it's okay. I can sure as, yeah, can I just say, hey, you shouldn't go out today, or a car's gonna hit you. You can be sexually impotent, and I don't know, you get hired. I don't even know what that means, so. Good. You get Half-Life 3 right now. No. It's an Xbox One. No, I don't know. Oh my god. They're so stupid. You gain superpowers. You are a monster and everybody rejects you. Nope. You can tell someone if you're telling the truth. You can tell if somebody's telling the truth or not. You have to act on your knowledge, doing bad or good. Wait. Yes. Oh yeah. You're skinny for life and you can eat whatever you want. Others will see you as fat. I would not, because I'm already fat, so I don't care. There will be world peace. You will be as bored as humanly possible Nope. I don't want to be bored. My god. What kind of... Wouldn't press that button. What? Nope. Okay. Good. Have amazing superpower. Can't use them. Yes, duh. I'd have to restroom and make a dome that makes me invisible, then stop time, make everyone into a time lord, create 1 million TARDISes, invisibility. I'll have one power. I'll have amazing superpowers. So I would have all of them. Become a Jedi. You must live with knowledge and damage that you will cause. No, I don't want to cause anything. Good. You get one superpower, ever you want, whatever you want. You'll be emo and cut yourself every time you use a superpower. Well, if I have the power of all of the powers, then I can just regenerate and stuff. So, and I can be invincible and wouldn't really hurt me that much. So yeah, common sense. I already cut, so it's not. So, okay, good. I have ability to teleport and stances to anywhere on Earth. You will die in 20 years time. 25 years time. No. Rape. Button to push when you're 90. One advantage to being 50. You have godlike superpowers. The person you love most dies and you cannot bring them back. Nope. I am a cruel god. You can create another god to bring the person you love most back to life. Yet, gotta love loopholes. You can create another god to bring the person you love back to life. Okay, I just did wrong. You invent something that everyone will remember for the next 500 years. Nobody remembers that you made it. Nobody remembers that you made it. So it's probably gonna help the world. So I don't know the guy who made the internet, but I love him. Nope, a guy named Robert. Bruh. Okay. You obtain the power of God. However, you become psychopathic. No, because then if I have powers, then bruh. Where's the downside? It's like playing The Sims. If you become an eternal God, you're going to lose your senses sooner or later, so why not sooner? You'll win $100 million, but you'll look like Hitler. I mean, I can just change how I look. Man, honestly, Hitler was. We can all agree on that, but despite being in. He didn't really look that awful. He had a bad mustache, at least. I wouldn't mind much if I won 100 million. Also, you could just use the money to get plastic surgery. You have the power to control almost everyone in the world and make them your slaves. One person will be immune and will overthrow and kill you in 15 years. No. Good. Got to have with anyone you want, you go blind. What? Bruh. You have Steve Jobs' money. You die when he dies. Well, isn't he like 50 right now? So probably a good 90 years is he gonna live? So yeah. The dead can't die immortally. You would be dead as soon as you click the button. He's dead? Steve Jobs is dead? I never knew that Steve Jobs is dead. What the freak? I'm Googling it right now. I'm gonna Google, is Steve Jobs dead? Oh my. He died October 5th, 2011. I didn't even know. Steve Jobs has no money. He's already dead. Okay, good. You can talk to anyone. There's a 50-50 chance that it'll be actual words or just animal. Still be able to talk. Why not? Oh, 21 is better. I know 21%. The human race is very small. You can gain any superpower you want. Using it causes greater pain every time you do so. but you can just take medicine and stuff. My superpower, the inability to feel pain. I wonder what shall happen. I mean, they didn't specify who was going to be in pain, so I can just make my enemy feel pain. And using it causes greater pain. Yeah. Every day an attractive and wealthy member of the opposite gender will fall helplessly in love with you. That includes those who are married, taken, and those who haven't met before will be banned and shunned throughout the world. I guess I just won't marry any of them. I can have as many girlfriends as I want, bruh. Okay, this is the last one. Alright, I'll do one more after this. Be granted the power of to see through solid objects. You can no longer see through transparent objects. Oh my. Nope. I'm not doing that. Okay. All your friends and family don't care what you do. The next day they'll get mad. It looks like they got anger issues. Bro. Okay, one more. You'll be super fast. You'll have super fast internet that never fails. All downloading websites will be blocked. Oh, dang, nope, I wanna. Okay, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to show me some love. Hit that like button down below, and also subscribe to be part of the Duck Squad. I'll see you later. Remember, don't be a lamer, be a gamer.